I am Chirag Dedhia from IHM Ahmedabad. Today I have some products from Karamat India. Today I am making a recipe from these products. I am taking the Karamat India product, that is BBQ marinated mix. Now I will put some paneer in the marinade. Now I will keep this for 10 to 20 minutes. I am taking the brown gravy from Karamat India. Add some oil to the pan. Now add the brown gravy to it. Now add the dahi to it. Add some water to it. Now I will add some masala to it. Jeera powder, lal mirch and haldi. Now I will add the paneer to it. Now making the roti, I am taking the 70% of maida and 30% of the atta. Tomatoes, onion, green chili, lemon, now we will add mayonnaise to the roti. Rice, paneer mix, and the salad.